Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again and I just got a few little bits and pieces to do. Got some pots here and I just mixed up using some of this old stuff, which is some of the compost there, some coir, some perlite, not vermiculite, perlite this time, bone meal and some chicken manure pellets. So what I've got a few things to pot on. We're going to get them in their pots from now, so these are staying in the polytunnel, so that's why I've got these pots. So I'm just going to fill these up, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so what I've got my Scotch bonnets. Going to be growing these inside the polytunnel this time. Give them a try. They did do well out here last time. So what I'm going to do, this middle bit here, let my cameraman come in. This middle bit here, I'm going to pick that off. So it's like that. So what that'll do now is help it to send off some more side branches. So you can do that with all your chili peppers. Keep these pots. So you see, got nice root system going through them and everything. Put them in the middle of the pot. I'm only putting one in per pot. Get out all these worms. And put that down up to the stem. Push it down a bit. Cover that. Then put my coir around it to keep the moisture in because it's going in the polytunnel. So I'm going to maybe put these on the top shelf or something. Take those things up, what's on there, off and put this on. So just putting a layer of coir. And someone's saying, what do I feed my ones with? Just ordinary tomato feed I do. It's got everything it needs in there to get it going. So that's one. At least we've got some nice weather going. Just pick off the top. Pick off that top and then help it to spread. So I'm going to do these ones. I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I've done my Scotch bonnet. I need to get some more pots for the other ones. I've got some jalapenos and that, so I need to get some bigger pots for them. Pots and that ain't cheap, but you need a reasonable size to give it the spread what you need. Just finish watering everything. Then I'll show you what's going on in here. Right, so we've got everything watered. Right, so I'll show you what's going on in the polytunnel, because everyone's, although I do videos on them, people still asking, so I'll let my cameraman come up. Don't know why he's staying all the way down there. Right, so I've got some radishes, some is it Repotting, cauliflower in one, some fennel, some beetroot, and some, that's my wonderberry there. This one I can't remember what's in there, but it's coming through. Got some onions, what I'm going to be doing next. You can see my carrot beds there. Got my okras up here, my goji berry, my honeyberry, a guava at the back there. Got all my sweet potatoes in. Cameraman show you. Right, up this end, got 2 buckets of carrots. I've got my pink fir potatoes, they just start to come through now. Got my marigolds, some marigold seeds, you saw me plant them in here, they're just starting to come through now. Got my onions, spring onions in these, 3 pots down here, can see them just starting to sprout through now. Another sweet potato bucket here, and some spinach. Got my pumpkins, mixed pumpkins coming through. Got my peanut plants, only 3 survive. I'm going to be putting those in a bucket next time I come down. I don't know what happened to them. Every time I plant the seeds, they just end up rotting in. Got my jalapenos, Apaches, and basket of fire mixed peppers there. What I've got to pot are some more pumpkins there. Got my French beans down here. Some onions. The exhibition onions, I'm going to be putting them in here next time. I've got them to sort out. I've got that tray down there as well to sort out. Another bucket of sweet potato there. You might be saying it's a lot of sweet potatoes, but I'm going to be doing some at home as well. So, and then there's all these tubs here. Some of these are going outside as well. So, got my lettuces there, my beetroot, my okra yam there, another sweet potato sack down there. See, my strawberries are doing nice. I'm going to pick some more in a minute. So that's what's going on in the polytunnel. Everything's coming along nicely, faster than what you would expect. I'm going outside now just to show you a quick outside as well, seeing that I'm here. Got my onions coming through. So those are coming along nicely. Got all my potatoes, what I put out. They're all right. They're all right out here. I should have put them out earlier. This is my 1 potato bucket challenge one. This one. Got my herb box here. Got my rosemary, my thyme, and my oregano. Going to be putting a few more in there when I get them. See my rhubarb. My roses are doing well. This is a magnolia tree. Don't know why it's yellowing up like that, but it's its first year. Some more rose bushes. Some daffodils just coming up again. Right. Got tons of black mint down there. Loads of it. It's spread quicker than I thought it would have spread. But you deal with things as they come along. We use it anyway, so. Then here I've got 2 rows of pink fir. They're just starting to come through now, so hopefully we should be all right. These are my white crispo garlics, and then my elephant garlics. Couple of volunteer potatoes up there. We started on this, getting this sorted out. I'm going to be over the next couple of weeks and that, when I've got a little bit more strength in my back, I'm going to be tackling this area here, sorting out the compost bins. Got to just take some measurements. I've got a quick way of doing it, so keep watching, you'll see a quick way. I've got using some palette colours. I haven't got them yet. I'm just going to be using some palette colours and stacking them up and make a quick compost bin there. We've got some spinach in here. No, not spinach, ain't gone in yet. Got the chard in here. Some cabbage and some broccoli. They're starting to spring back a bit now. They've got the cold was hitting them, but I see they're starting to spring back. I might put some more in because we like broccoli. So in between these gaps where the ones ain't doing well, I might get another tray and put them in. So that's what's going down at the allotment. What can I else? This top bit up here, this is where I'm going to be putting my pumpkins up here. You can see it needs sorting out. Got to just empty out that bulk bag, get that out of the way, get all those weeded up, get everything sorted out up here. So I'm going to be working up here for a couple of days, so you might only see a short video because I'm sure you don't want to see me sorting this out. Then I've got all these to sort out as well. I've got the trees to sort out again. See it springing back to life, so I've got to address that as well. So that's what's going on down here. Got everything ready and waiting to go in now. The weather's starting to change, hopefully. It's 1st of May today, so hopefully we'll get things going. I've got this to sort out as well. I think it's because it hasn't got no bracing, but it's not going in. It ain't gonna go anywhere, but it's a bit lean. So what I might do is put a brace from across or something, or just leave it. It's strong enough anyway, so it's just a quick thing we built. So just to let the okras and that run over. Not okra, the coyotes to run over, so everything's doing all right. So that's what's going on down here. We just have to get on with it, start tidying up and get things in, get all these all bagged up and everything sorted out, get these beds sorted out, ready for planting stuff in. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you all on the next one. You take care, like, share and subscribe. Watch the ads as well, helps us along. The channel's starting to pick up a bit now, but the views are still messing about. I don't know what's going on with YouTube these days. Everyone's complaining about it, but you just have to persevere and do what you're doing. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.